In this video, I will introduce you to our AutoCAD software. I will introduce you with the user interface and setting units and working with commands and also working with dimensions in AutoCAD. When you start AutoCAD for the very first time, this is how your interface is going to look like, and it also depends on the software's version. Now this is the start screen of AutoCAD software. To start a new drawing, you need to select the Start Drawing box and it will start a new tab. The first one is Application button. On the top left, which has all the frequently used tools, the Quick Access toolbar. Here is the Quick Access toolbar. Save, open, and so on. And we have tabs like Home, Insert, Parametric, View, Manage, and so many. And on those tabs we have the panels, and those panels we have the tabs and commands, tools and commands to activate any command. If you want to start line command, you can just click on line on here. Or you can use its command L, press enter. L, enter. That's it. Now let's talk about the navigation tools. So here we have the simple triangle. Now if you want to navigate in your drawing, if you want to move this triangle around, when you can do that using your middle mouse wheel. To move this drawing, you need to press and hold the mouse wheel. Your cursor will change to this hand, and you can easily move around in this triangle. To select anything in your drawing, you need to do is just click on it, and that object will be selected. And to deselect anything, press escape button. Now I am gonna make another drawing here. I will just make a circle. So I will go to circle. I will click at a point and I will click that another point. Now let's move to the units, and for that I will delete this drawing. Before you begin any drawing, the first and the basic thing that you would want to do this Set the proper units. To set the unit, type UN, press enter, and the drawing units window will pop up. I will change it to fits. You can select from any of those. I will select fit. For the length, you can select decimal. Decimal degree, type architectural. That's it. I will click on OK, and now we are using fit as a unit. Now we have the arc tool. Now using the arc tool, you can make 3-point arcs using first second and third point, and also there are other features. There are lots of features to make different kind of arc, and it just depends on the kind of workflow and the drawing. Now let's move to the rectangle tool. Using rectangle tool, you can obviously make a rectangle. In this case, click at a point and then click at second point. Click at a point and click that second point. You will have your rectangle. If you want to move only selected drawings, for example, if you want to move this circle, you can use the move tool right on the modify toolbar. Select move tool and select the object and press enter. Now select the center or any point. If you want, then move it your desired point. Click. That's it.